The Skål digital transformation process has been an inclusive participative project where a global group of key users have been invited to test functionalities at all levels. A suggestions blog was created to gather suggestions, ideas, and concerns from our members. Aligned with the digital transformation project, Skål International brand is being modernized to transfer this innovation and visual renewal to all elements and channels of the brand. The objectives of this project are functionalities to increase and improve the services offered, communications to simplify and improve interaction between colleagues, technology to modernize the operational processes of Skål International, membership increase, new tools to empower and facilitate networking, branding to enhance the digital presence of the organization worldwide, more benefits. The new features, effective from 1 January 2020, will be a more attractive and responsive website, enhanced networking among members and management of their own profile and preferences, self-editing of business cards and letterheads, club members list sorted by criteria, an interactive map to search clubs around the world, live chat with colleagues from around the world, access to the unified worldwide events platform, optimization of the application and approval process, a training platform with specific courses on the tourism sector and professional training. The benefits for clubs, national and area committees are new Skål boutique displayed in the local currency, administration dashboard for a better management at club level, payments management tools, possibility of payment installments, lists of club members sorted by different criteria as paid, unpaid, new approvals, category, etc. Online payments options, possibility to send email campaigns to members, a club private area to manage private documents, and automated membership tracking with access to validation status, a help desk for incident, an alert system for outstanding payments, meetings, important dates, etc. Furthermore, there will be an optional accounting module that integrates Skål International with a national committee for a fee. This digital transformation is a wonderful journey, and we have only just begun. There are still more features to come, as a new area of benefits, promotions and discounts, a jobs bank database, advanced management tools for marketing, events and meetings, notifications on tourism industry worldwide, integration with third-party content libraries, newsletter creator, a digital membership card with new associated benefits, a Skål International mobile app with dynamic features, recruiting tools to boost the interest of potential members, among many others.